Hello, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday and welcome to my art studio. My name is Koosje Koenen and I love drawing. I also love painting. I do abstract painting in this beautiful studio and I record my videos here, I edit my videos, I do all the work I do and all the creativity, and there's a lot of space to play and have fun, and I will share whatever I learn here with you on this channel. And today I would love to show you this sketchbook. I filled it in the past month or so, and I chose a little bit of a smaller book because it was a very busy time and this felt very accessible. So let's dive in and take a look at the pages. This is a Hanemühle sketchbook. It's A6 and it's a Hanemühle Nostalgie sketchbook. I like stickers. This one came from the bookshop where I signed some copies that are for sale now, the American Book Center. This is from my friend Alvin, and this is from a favorite coffee roaster, and this is mine. Everything is interesting when you draw it. Just a little reminder. Also, when I start a sketchbook, sometimes before I have stickers, I don't see the difference between at the front and the back, so then I just play around a little bit with the cover, which makes it embellished and fun. In the beginning of my sketchbook, I always put my contact details. This sketchbook was filled at a time that my husband and I were preparing to move. So I decided to, this one is actually from a Draw Tip Tuesday video. So I decided to choose a smaller sketchbook, which felt very accessible and I could take it with me anywhere. And we still had some really nice days. So I could sit in the sun actually on a terrace, which was fantastic. This is an exercise that I showed you in a Draw Tip Tuesday as well. Drawing your hands with a blind continuous line, which is just always really fun, and then also using your non-dominant hand drawing it. This is really great if you don't have much time, but you do want to move your pen onto the paper. This is when I went sketching with friends, urban sketcher friends, and another one. It was a little bit of a darkish day, and I think my brown palette actually really captures that. And this is a nice morning with coffee and music and drawing. Coffee in a cafe. Oh yeah, and this is all kinds of things that I started to collect because I met some people during an opening of an exhibition and I didn't want to lose these cards because they're so beautiful. And this one was done at the end of a very long day. Just getting out of everything, ordering a coffee and drinking it while drawing, but also I was answering emails and I was getting calls and there were so many things I needed to manage at that particular Monday morning. That happens if you want to sell your apartment. This was done during a live session with Amy Miracle. Very fun to do, very meditative and relaxing. This is one of the things that I bought for the staging of our apartment when we were selling it. It's actually withering now. I need to draw it again. I don't think it survived the move. A coffee break, a selfie, and I will tell you this, there was another selfie here which I didn't like at all, and it felt like everything was out of balance. So I just painted everything black with black ink, and then I started to play around with gouache sticks just on top. And I really like how this turned out. So sometimes just masking your mistakes can turn out to become something really fun if you are, seeking creative solutions. My husband on the couch reading all kinds of names from the Middle Ages. I don't even know why, but it was really funny. This is a really nice bookshop where they also serve coffee, and my book is being sold there now. And I was there with my friends Ellen and Sabine. I went there by train. This is messy, but I was just killing time on the train basically. Drawing one coffee cup in a few sips and in different angles. My husband reading the morning news. And me sitting down on the couch in the evening. Bit of a messy page, but hey, a bad drawing is better than not a drawing at all, right? This is on the train again. I really love these. I miss drawing people because I don't commute that much. This lady looks like it's this lady, but it's not. They just look alike. A drawing I did for Draw Tip Tuesday. My husband on the couch, gaming, reading, drawing the living room, drawing the kitchen, and also saying goodbye to this apartment because I've been living there so many years and now it's not mine anymore. We boxed it all up, and you will recognize this one from Draw Tip Tuesday. And this is where the signed books come in. The American Book Center in Amsterdam. And this is, I think, one of the last drawings in the Amsterdam apartment. And then all the stuff, all the furniture is moved and it's in the new home. This sketchbook holds so many memories, and I think I don't even realize how precious this can become because I captured a very important period of time of moving houses and the whole process towards that. So yeah, this goes on the shelves and I will look at it after a while again, and I'm pretty sure it'll make me happy and it will bring back lots of memories. I really hope that this inspires you to also have like a daily drawing habit, or at least do a few drawings a week, capturing your life. For me, it is really important that I do this because it relaxes me, it gives me a meditative moment, it brings me back into the moment, and it's also kind of like a gratitude journal almost sometimes. So all of these reasons are enough for me to make the time for it. And I know it's not easy to make time or to find time, but you can do it. I canceled my Netflix and wow, did I save a lot of time with that? It's just an idea. You don't have to change your whole life to add a little habit like drawing, especially because drawing makes you happy. So make it priority. Good, I will see you next week. And in the meantime, go and make a drawing. Subscribe to this channel, I would really appreciate that. You can also join me on my next online session where I draw live and I have a little bit of instruction. I will add the links below this video. And if you like to support me making these videos every week, then you can also support me on Patreon or buy me a coffee. All the links are below this video. Also, just one more thing, I wrote a book. You can buy it. Link below the video. I'll see you next week. Bye.